Hi guys, it's Andy here from Alice Clare to deliver some clear and accurate messages straight from our loving creator. Right, so I can't think of the tune or anything now, but there was a Bob Marley song that I woke up to, and something about still standing there or okay, so there's like a warning, like a strong tornado warning, Arizona. This is in my coffee when I was scrying this morning. Power lines, dawn, sunrise, tornado on the horizon, Arizona. Catalyst 3, a portal opening then closed. Lightning, portal opening again, light beaming out. It's a very thin portal. Someone walks through, leaving their shadow behind. A green flash. People walking a tightrope to the other side, away from the tornado. In the sky, a giant speaker. It's a siren warning, very strong. Huge tornado ripping down power lines. I can hear the siren going off when I was scrying. Waxing crescent, thin moon. Very strong feeling. So this might be the time when it happens. Something left still standing strong in the center of everything else getting destruction. A big bright angel swooping in like a dove, opening a portal. Someone inside, a wooden chair. I kept hearing Arizona. A pain on right side of the back of my head. Yeah, it was like an instant pain, like as if I was hit, and then it went away. Yeah, a rainbow, a portal closed. Tornado moves to the right. Funneling moves backwards towards the distant horizon. So in the meditation and pre-shuffle on the cards, 8th house Scorpio, metamorphosis, death, rebirth, air, expansive, intellectual, inquisitive, cusp, transition, liminality, twilight, Mercury, communication, correspondence, expression, Saturn, discipline, obstacles, boundaries, moon, creation, intention, potential, Tarot, the devil, Capricorn energy, find the light in darker times, Alice in Wonderland deck, 29, which when I broke it down, 11 equals a 2 in numerology. It was reversed. So someone's found the lesson. They've discovered the purpose in a situation, and they've learnt from it. What else do I have? Yeah, finding out about gossiping, like unpleasant gossiping along the grapevine. So the other tarot cards, the ones they've got like descriptions. So the letter M, Page of Wands reversed, an older woman around you. So it's kind of just representing female energy, so it could be a man as well. Anyway, nasty words coming out of their mouth, lying, cheating, narcissist. And it came out again upright. So it could be a younger person involved as well, up to 25 years, the letter W. It can represent travel overland. And yeah, just got a feeling then too. Yeah, so there's like untrue stories cycling around, a troublemaker, a cheater, because they're upset or they're trying to upset somebody. Anyway, the Nine of Swords, Tears, frustrations, letting go of emotions. Yeah, they're upset or they're trying to upset somebody. So there's a lot of air energy coming through in this read. So yeah, the tornado in my coffee, um, like everything that I get from my scry, it's most likely symbolism. But I had to put that out there because that the strong tornado warning and Arizona. I kept hearing Arizona. Yeah, I had a strong feeling. So I felt the need to get that out as well. But yeah, it could just represent like vicious rumors causing destruction. A lot of gossiping people. So yeah. Anyway, we'll see what comes out in the cards. Okay. We'll start with Astro Alignment. See what comes out. I'm crazy. Cards. A lot of energy. So on the bottom, the first quarter moon, momentum, initiative, and magnetism. The cloth moved, that's all. Move my phone. Okay. Momentum change. What else do we have here? Insonance, dissonance, adjustment, and discord. Yeah. Yeah, something going on. It's going crazy. I've got the second house, Taurus, finances, value, and possessions. And Uranus, revolution, invention, and eccentricity. What's the date today? Oh, it's the 20th. Interesting. 7 more days, and Uranus is out of retrograde in Taurus. So, but why it's in retrograde, it's about introspection. It's about spiritual introspection, finding your own spiritual beliefs and diving deep within. Yeah. Okay. Actually, yeah. Show me the first quarter. It's like someone hasn't planned. This is, it's the Two of Wands. Interesting, because this is my other tarot deck. Where was it? Oh no, that was the Page of Wands, wasn't it? Yeah, this is the Two of Wands. It's reversed. So someone might need to get a plan together. Strong feeling. It could be coming back to this warning, strong tornado warning, Arizona. People might need to make a plan. I've got the first quarter moon. Yeah, I've got a feeling. Yeah, magnetism, because did I say? Yeah, I've got a strong feeling coming through my body. Catalyst 3. So Howlines, dawn, sunrise, tornado on the horizon, Arizona, Catalyst 3. People might need to plan just in case. It can't hurt, right? All right, what else do we have? What's this adjustment and discord? Please show me the adjustment and discord. Okay. King of Pentacles. Earth energy. Could be around money. Dissonance. Adjustments. There might be adjustments that need to be made. Money-wise. For growth. Earth energy. Yeah, there's a discord. There's an adjustment. And it's got to do with money. Could be making money. Adjustment, discord. It could be coming back to the vicious rumors. You know, someone might be trying to, get in the way of somebody making money. Okay. What's his second house, Taurus? Yeah, because we've got finances, value, and possessions. What is this? Please, Spirit. Second house, Taurus. Finances, value, and possessions. Yeah, I feel like it's coming back to this tornado warning. Someone's not moving away. Because they haven't got the clarity. Someone's not moving into calmer waters. They're not moving away from a situation in finances, values, or possessions because they don't have that clarity. Interesting. Okay, why is Uranus here? Revolution, invention, and eccentricity. Why is Uranus here? Okay, there is movement here. Fast movement. When working with others. I've got the shape. Fast. It's the fastest card. Fastest moving card in the tarot deck. The Chariot. It's also a major arcana. Yeah, when working with others, there'll be a revolution, invention. Okay. On the bottom, got someone blocking someone's standing on top of this cliff and they're blocking all these other wands coming at them. Yeah, there's seven of wands. Yeah, awkwardly trying their best to block all these. Comes back to this vicious rumor thing. Yes. All this gossip. Vicious rumor that's not even true. All this stuff. Someone standing on their own. Yeah, standing up for themselves. They're like blocking. They're just blocking all that. Good for them. All right. Okay. Give them some love with my crystal. Drop the dash on these ones again. So these are the Alice in Wonderland deck. Let's see what we've got here. See what comes out. Yeah, okay, do not drink the poison. Yeah, it's come out in reverse and someone's not having it. They're not taking that poison. It's number 8 card. Do not drink poison. Do not do things you know are bad for you. Yeah, someone's not. Interesting. I had a flash of green. Yeah. In my coffee. Yeah, because someone walks through a very thin portal and they leave their shadow behind. Flash of green. People walking on a tightrope. Yeah. I might have to start looking up the symbolism for my coffees. Instead of just reading out what comes out, I might actually have to go a bit deeper. Yeah, but sometimes it seems very forward. Well, probably, yeah, but I might have to do a bit more research myself. But I go by my feelings and that as well. It's sometimes crystal clear. Yeah, someone's deciding not to drink that poison. Yeah. They're deciding to do what's best for themselves, and that's awesome. Okay, what's on the bottom? 32, which equals a 5 change. Yeah. A momentum change. Belong to your own dream. Create your own life. Yeah. So it's about not listening to other people, It's about living your own life and making up your own mind too. Dream yourself a good dream. Take the time to really have some time out for yourself and think about what you really love, what sort of life you want to live. I think someone's doing that here. Belong to your own dream, create your own life. Yeah. Stephen's holding the book. Gives that a bit of clarity with my other crystal stone. Okay. Why was the 2 of Wands here? Let's get a bit of clarification on these other cards. Why is the 2 of Wands here reversed for this first quarter? I really feel like someone needs to plan for this momentum. They need to take the initiative. Yes. The Hierophant. Marriage, government or public company, body, corporate, official building or situation or official situation. That's another 5. We've got 2 5s out. Just making notes as I go. Hierophant. It's about staying true to your own values. What is true, and and your own values. Just don't let other people misguide you or or mislead you. I feel like this person's not. It's also Taurus energy again. Wow, a lot of Taurus energy coming through this read. Yeah. So there's definitely a change here. Yeah. Someone's sticking to their values, what they know is best for them. Why did the King of Pentacles come out? Ooh. 9 of Wands reversed. Oh, another 9 too. Got one in the pre-shuffle. Yeah, the adjustment and discord, the 9 of Wands. Yeah, so someone's decided because they've taken a step back out of a situation to see more clearly. Yeah, and that's the adjustment. Taking that time to step back to see more clearly. Yeah. For the adjustment and discord. Just can't move my coffee for a bit more room. Especially if there's a lot of rumors and stuff going around, you know. This person's probably thought, well, I need to take a step back for a second and, to make a decision even. Yeah, or just to find clarity, like, on the truth. Okay, where's the second house out? Finances, value, and possessions. Why is this second house? It went straight over to the 7 of Wands, actually, where there's someone blocking, like all these other wands coming at them, like, yeah. Okay, it's the 10 of Cups. Happiness, good things, party and celebration. Wow. It's going to be a celebration. Wow. The 10 of Cups. It could be in love, but it could also be in finances too. We do have the Hierophant, which, could mean marriage. 10. Yeah, 10's an ending and a new beginning also. So, okay. The King of Pentacles. Yeah, maybe someone's getting married. An earth sign, maybe. Could be a Taurus. Right. And why is Uranus here? This revolution, invention, eccentricity. I already asked that, didn't I? It's the Chariot. It's the Chariot. Working, heading straight for, working with others, or like a public display. Oh, this could be a read. It could very well be a marriage. Yeah. It's like, yeah, public display. Okay, let's have a look what's on the bottom. The Nine of Swords reversed. Yeah, the Nine of Swords came out in the pre-shuffle, but upright. Yeah, the tears and frustrations and letting go of emotions. It's reversed. So someone's fought that. They've overcome any tears or frustrations, or they're just deciding not to drink up that poison. Yeah, do things you know. Don't do things you know that are bad for you. Do things you know that are good for you. Things that will heal you from any anxiety or fears or tears. And yeah, so someone's healed from that, or they're not letting it affect them, whatever's happening. Yeah. Wow, another 9. 2 nines. Okay. Someone could be 55 with the 2 5s coming out. Really, there's a change. It's a momentum change. Yeah. A lot of air energy was coming out, but we've got a lot of Taurus energy too. Okay. I'm going to keep this one short, guys. Just know I love you guys, and thank you so much for supporting the channel and for sharing the messages and getting them out. I do feel the need, because of how I was feeling about this tornado, the Calice 3. And because I kept hearing Arizona, and the feeling. So I thought I might get that out there just in case. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Vibe high. Love yous. Bye.